So today we're going to look at the Wedi curbs. You can buy these already pre-made. They are pre-cut and notched to be able to slide on here. Now I have not cut this one down to size yet, so I'm not going to be able to slide it into place for you right now. But you kind of get the idea. It's going to sit here and sit over the edge of the Wedi that's already notched. And how you're going to install this is you're going to use the modified thin set, the same thing that you put your pan down with, and you are going to run a bead of it through here really good, trowel it on, and you're going to put this into place. And then around every seam, you're going to use your sealant again and go all the way around. Or you can use your prefabricated corners just like this, just to give it a little extra protection. So very simple to use. This one happens to be the 2-inch, but they make them wider as well. But on a 2-inch, it works really good if you're going to put a solid walking piece across the top. If you want to put a lot of separate tiles, you may want to get the one a little bit wider. To me, this is very nice and it's minimal. It does not take up a lot of space. So if I was rating these on a scale of 1 to 5, I would give it a 5 because they're very well made. It's quick. Now you can do it yourself by using these panels and a 2x4 under here, but this is 100% waterproof and it's very fast. One quick cut, install, I'm done. So do yourself a favor. If you're putting in a Wedi system, go ahead and get a prefabricated shower curb and save yourself all that time and aggravation.